Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be making homemade suya spice. Very authentic homemade suya spice. Here are my ingredients. I have chili pepper, kuli, uda, calabash nutmeg, dry garlic, dry ginger, alligator pepper, black pepper, kanafari, fenugreek seed, anise star. So here are all of them. So I'll put down all the names in my description box. So what we are going to do now is to blend everything together. It's as simple as that. In my blender. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, we'll be using salt and star Maggi too. So I've added my kuli. If you know your blender cannot break this, you can as well break it before putting it in. That is my star Maggi and salt. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't leave without subscribing. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. Please like this video to reach a larger audience, please, and share my video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for the support and thank you for the love. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate your support. So we are going to be blending this until it's smooth. You can be bringing it down and scrape the side. Don't allow it to blend long like that so that it will not start kicking back. You know, there's kuli, which is groundnut cake inside this. You can see I'm using the pause button to break everything, then I'll start it. I'll on it and it will blend. That is all, guys. We are done. You have your suya spice. You don't need to buy. Bring everything together. Use any seed of your choice that you love and make this. And I bet you are going to love it more than the store-bought one. Thank you all so much. I appreciate your support. Please keep the subscribe coming. Subscribe to my channel, share my video, and turn on the bell notification. Please try it out and let me get your feedback. Thank you all. See you all in my next one. Bye bye.